Hello everyone, welcome to Mass Trading's channel. This video we will talk about the trend. Put it simply, trend is the candlestick chart, which reflects the change of stock. How to understand the trend? We could start from two aspects. 1. The classification of trend. 2. The standard formula, two or more than two centrals. There is only one central in a day, it would be a sideways trend. And it would be a trend if there are two centrals. If the direction is uptrend, it rises. If the direction is downtrend, it falls. Just count the number and direction of central. One central is a sideways trend, two or more centrals is an uptrend or downtrend. Usually, more than 90% of movements have two centrals, unless they are at the 5-minute and below 1-minute level, where there will be 3 to 5 centrals. A is the entry segment, and A is the interval of the central, overlapping area. B is the exit segment. The level of A is greater than the level of A and B, because A is consisted with at least 3 segments. There is only one central here, so this is sideways trend. The formula is A plus B. There are two centrals in a trend. In a trend, A is called the entry segment, B is common segment, and C is exit segment. B is the second central, and B is both the exit segment of A and the entry segment of B. B is common, C is exit segment. The trend could be represented as A plus B plus C. Standardized formula, here it refers to a trend with two centrals. Generally, those trends higher than 30th level have two centrals. A and B have a same level, as they are all consisted with downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, 3 segments. Thus, A equals B. Whether the entry and exit segment have a same level, we can't tell from here. It can be determined when it diverges. B is greater than A. Force is here. Meanwhile, B is greater than C. We will show it when we talk about the divergence. You can just have a basic understanding of it now. We could make a list about the standard formula of the trend. Trend can be classified as sideways trend and trend. Sideways trend has only one central, so it is A plus B. And trend can be divided into uptrend or downtrend, and has two centrals. Basically, there are two centrals. If we use two centrals to represent it, it would be A plus B plus C. If there are 3 centrals, add C plus D. In the future, at least a central B that shares the same level with A should be built. The trend could be formed. So using the standardized formula, you can review the trend of the market very clear. One thing to remember. The so-called trend's direction must be the same, so the direction of the central of A and B must be the same. If the direction of a trend is upward, it's a typical rise. The level and direction of A and B must be the same. Join the community to see more content.